Okay, just finished up mounting 6 new tires on the motorhome. Bought these Falken RI 150s off of Amazon for $5.34 a tire. The regular price is typically about $5.45 to $5.50. See, I put my Crossfires back on. Got all the wheels torqued down. The RI 150s that I took off of this motorhome were 8 years old and still look perfect. So to me it was a no-brainer to replace it with the same tire. So this job is done for another 7 or 8 years. I never raised a motorhome up with the leveling jacks. That's just asking for trouble. The last thing you want is this thing in the air on the leveling jacks and a hydraulic hose to burst. So I use a 20-ton bottle jack and 22-ton jack stands. This is a handy tool to pull off the lug nut caps without scratching them. More to come. Something to keep in mind when removing this rear hubcap, I just use a filter wrench. The threads is reversed. Hope this helps. Once you put some soapy water around the bead, it breaks down pretty easy. And then just dropping it on a piece of cardboard so you don't scratch up the rim, breaks down the backside. It's really not hard at all. This tool I like to use for the first speed. For the second, I just grab a tire spoon, one with this hook. And just lift the tire up. Take this in at an angle so that the hook is on the rim. Then just straighten it out and let the weight of the tire do the work.